pulled it out.
Basically a primitive fishing boat.
Oh, whoa!
Thank you, King. Nope.
I got one. Joe, we got one. Oh, double up? Yeah. First double up photo of the year.
Double up, double up.
You need to catch one of this little thing. How big is yours?
It's a green sunfish.
Yeah, Maddie got one too. I'm surprised you caught it over here.
Yeah, it's not a big one. Oh, but then again,
I think it's bigger than mine.
This is a green sunfish, right?
Yeah.
I think they're pretty much dead on the same size.
Yeah, so.
Look
Want a
at.
double up photo? I got my phone out.
Yes, sir.
PB, PB. Mine fell off the hook when I yanked it up, so. Elliot, why are you fishing?
Yes, sir. Ah!
Oh no, Maddie, don't pass.
Go, go, go. Oh, God. We're sinking.
You ready? Ian, his spine's right there. Oh, that's your thumb.
Get it, Ian.
Oh, fuck. He's going. He's going. He's going. His face is at our feet. That's his face right there.
Oh!
Fuck. Kean, help me.
Look
Look at
He
that
is
face.
mad.
I'd be
No.
mad too. Yes, bro. Kian, language. My bad.
That is one power. Ian, you need help.
Oh my
You
goodness.
need help getting him?
Oh, he comes over here and bites me.
Ellie, help me, help me, help me.
Oh, shoot.
He's snapping, bro. Oh!
That thing was fine.
There, he's going this way.
Where?
He just swam off this way.
I felt Ian.
Look at that.
How did you go? Why are you so mad?
No, that turtle was this big around.
I couldn't get him off the bottom.
I know. I was reaching underneath him, and then he like kicked with his sharp claws out of it.
I know, he cut me.
Oh, when I kicked?
Ian, let me get my phone. Never mind.
That's gonna be good footage. Maddie, were you filming that? Oh,
Double
Maddie,
up.
that might be the biggest of the day.
Ian, where'd your pole go?
This one.
Yeah, your cane pole.
I like how me and Maddie both like dove into the deeper spot.
Elliot, get a photo.
Did it touch your leg, Maddie?
No.
Wait, really? That thing
Elliot, get
like
a
went
photo.
from my leg like 3 different times.
That thing almost bit Elliot's finger.
I know. I saw him snip at him.
He honestly probably could have took off my finger.
Chat, double up, double up.
Hold up.
He's probably over here now.
Garrett, be normal.
How did you get up there so quick?
I got one
Hit the
picture.
sand.
Yeah, I'm about to.
Oh, I see.
Ooh, dubs.
Nice.
Nice green sunfish. Oh, wow.
Oh, what did
What
they
happened
have?
to him, dude?
Oh, that thing got herpes.
Ah.
This fish has herpes.
Hey,
Look at the bait, bro.
Yeah, that's a baby.
where? Oh, shoot. That's on.
I need that.
Guys,
Oh.
flavor there.
Oh. Okay, we sending it back into the creek. Oh, look at the snakes. Oh, never mind. That's a rope. I'm dumb.
Were there any friskies?
Yeah. There were just some bluegill and stuff, so I just wanted to make it. Oh, I have one. I didn't even No.
Oh, that's a nice one. You want a photo?
Sure.
Wasn't National Burger Day like 2 days ago?
About to be today too. I'm gonna be eating 4 Big Macs.
Bro,
I ain't got my
McDonald's has really good
Elliot.
deals right now.
Kian, can you grab your phone out here?
Oh, I released him anyways. Whoopsies.
Never mind.
Oh fuck.
Elliot, little baby told me.
Maddie, you good?
That is good.
I don't think you can actually touch the bottom.
The bag is going on top.
Yeah. Here I go.
I'm not doing that.
Got that, Joe.
Allah Akbar.
Bro, I'll do it again.
It's Vietnam.
Take the.
But I want to go down there again.
Maddie, I'm gonna swim down there after this.
We finished up, so we're just kind of chilling here.